we call Viviane. Let's go. This time around, and let me get it right. Viviane to the soul casca. I say, Viviane, you are the one that made me like this. And you mean I say trying to brand here be a ordinary door in an pet shop baby our friend Viviane.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Ebusiafo were from a BJ Park or Rich. I carried that not too long ago. Me reacted to a new bia offering Guinea, say Equatorial Guinea, say Congo, say ho baby. Neno your mum binana na chere, all a rap, all a trap. Now I was able to explain it well into one of French of Funisisi when you are Jamahu. Into I drop a new banger beyond so you're gonna make waves with francophone countries and all other places. And so they just drew my attention that DJ Parkour Rich, you are Africa's only an original francophone and anglophone DJ who understands and bridges the gap. Inti, but most nana but church a French you mean our friend Viviane. Now this time you know we're French scholars. Now one bre won't be say that French and I made chairman on yana kwara. I hate it all the time when I do stuff and people go like, oh, be lie. When I'm actually speaking the truth. American acquire into one day. And you know, what really is it by 1 month in it? But you know, baby, English countries in Kenya na just Zimbabwe no na in our waji no na to Ghana hanin pose. Men would have been no more other versions. Na nyoma title the Viviane. Na mombo kakrancha one. Let me remember when the explanation and the emotional blows behind this banger we call Viviane. Let's go. This time around, and let me get it right. Viviane to the soul casca. I say, Viviane, you are the one that made me like this. And you mean I say trying to brand here be a ordinary door in an pet shop baby our friend Viviane. This guy invested his emotions and his love into this girl that every little penny be obenya will yasi me biana and I'm a gaily. But Oturiasan again a mafia no chene then onyana class, they are not on the same flying level. And so I did a fat guy in a trim. And a sissy I didn't have a guy in a trim again and namana shut up. If I na say or to no say Viviane cool sus pala. On another French and a church everybody English. I say Viviane, you are the one who made me like this. It be you. Or ya when I'm a yadam. But the other respond of the song, you know, on a man for what person? No one say. Viviane suta le Paul la tite. Viviane suta le Paul la tite. I say, Viviane, you are the one that emptied my pocket. Had it not been Viviane, this guy had enough of cash in his pocket. Viviane still la put the tele. Oh, you know, and I want to see no kotokum on me in that song. Leakage is a guy in a pocket in a French in ya. Leakage is a in a pocket in one friend. Monsieur le cahier. Monsieur le cahier. This song has been a broken heart song, which a lot of people do not have an idea about it today. And you mean I was a Viviane Kuma Schoolala or your broken hearts and you. Internet man for the vibe that I'm what TikTok. And I want to say a groove in that instrumentation. Oh Viviane, je m'appelle Monsieur Paco Rich. Elle est Aquaba de la Ghana. #1 and DJ. Delu. Chada Pensubina Nomina breakdown with another show. Le Français de la Congo. Le Français de l'Abidjan de la Côte d'Ivoire. France de l'Équatorial Guinée. Ekutoria Guinea vibe here. Oh, Viviane, waba bukotoku biskasa. Viviane, amo here yamechafa. So this is the meaning of this song. The breakdown of this song is in a DJ Paco to the rich. Paco to the rich to the whole yase. DJ at English that's also to friends or to church a moment in room. When I'm ponyana size singing in the wedja, why by me call equal. Oh, for crying, mentoyam. Na wuna ni role model yam. Menya was size Abijada tupa when winnis so chem. Atsabakara, a tapsu asida walubugum. Viviane Zazaya Bretia. Nino, nana. Mana was in my info Oscara. One would turn the Noria press up. Emptying the pockets of gentlemen has been your passion, you Viviane. Viviane, Abidjan Bobonyu window. Viviane, Abidjan Abusum Bobonyu window. Dama mafu okotokuba empty. Do that bola. You just see hala. Very cool. Baba Kero, yada can be so afraid teacher. You be betray school fees. How about no fear, baby?
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.